turn it around.
Oh. Told you I haven't done one of these in so long. Okay.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Wait, you're live already?
I'm live already. Yeah,
I was
we're
gonna say
live
we
together.
should prop them up because it's kind of weird trying to.
What do you mean?
We could prop the phone on something so
Put
we
the
don't
phone
have
on
to hold
something?
it.
Oh. Well, holding it's not bad. You're used to holding it.
Oh my goodness!
Anywho,
Do y'all see what I have to deal with on a regular
Hi
basis?
everybody, this is a pop-up. We're just hopping on to say hello to everybody and let you know, in case you didn't catch my post earlier in the week, Nat will be posting some stuff about it as well, but we are going to start a couples retreat. So if you're interested in you and your partner spending a weekend with us in November, it's November 10th.
12th, 13th?
I think it's 10th to the 13th. It's like 4 days, yeah.
13th, 4 days.
Thursday, like a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then we'll be done and you can leave on Sunday. In Florida, where Destin?
Sunny Florida, Destin.
On the water, on the beach. We got a house we're getting. We're looking for 5 or 6 couples to spend a weekend with us. We get to the living experience with Coach Bronson and Coach Nat.
Intimate experience.
The time of your life.
Food, cooking together, connection.
Yep.
Really understanding yourself, your why, and what has been holding you back in reaching your goals.
Not just individually, but as a couple, right? One of the things about living with somebody and is establishing what are you guys doing together? Where are you going as a single entity, not just individually? So we both have individual goals, but then we also have things that we want to do together, and we have to be on the same sheet of music about where we're going, what we want to be, what identity. We talk about identity all the time. So there's the identity that we have ourselves, but then there's the identity that we have together. So working on those types of things and that communication back and forth.
How can you support your partner to get to where they want to be, and how can they support you?
Because it's okay to ask for help. I know sometimes we don't want to do that.
Especially the men.
What are you talking about? Men ask for help. We ask for help all the time. Directions for help, instructions on how to build stuff. We do it all the time.
And my ladies, y'all always ask for help around the house, right? You ask for help with the dishes and help with the kids, or maybe you don't. Maybe you just try to do it all yourself and you get burned out and then angry and then cause a little bit of trouble, maybe
a little stress
in paradise.
One of the things that we talk about a lot is trying to keep things as simple as possible and less stressful. So the more you can communicate and spend time with each other and be on the same sheet of music, the less stress there's going to be. So basically all this to say, in November, if you and your partner are interested in, number one, spending time with us because we're awesome.
We're so much
and we're fun. We are going to do some fitness stuff. We are going to do some movement. We are going to do all the woo-woo stuff with her because she does the woo-woo. What is it? You're the emotion and I'm the logic.
Yes.
Something like that is what we talked about.
Yep.
So we're going to talk. She'll probably be talking more about the feminine and the masculine, and we'll be going into all sorts of different things. We got, I don't know if you call it workshops, but we'll be going through some exercises and stuff like that.
We'll have some breakouts, how to understand your partner better, how to understand yourself better. Basically, by the end of the weekend, we want you to walk away really understanding what your sticking points have been, and we want to help you find a way forward through the struggles. Yeah. So this is an opportunity to let the walls come down, get out of your comfort zone, feel safe with others, and we want to create that safe space for you to also find people in person that are on this journey. So you're not only relying on your online community. Many of us don't have a community locally who are doing keto with us, who are doing this, who are on the same journey. Going in the same direction. Yeah,
not just locally or that larger community. We go to conferences. You have these groups of thousands of people, but how many people do you actually know that you've spent a day, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days living with them? that is a different level. Like when we went on the cruise, one of the things that we really appreciated about being on the low carb cruise this year, which if you guys aren't signed up for the low carb cruise, this is a whole nother plug. Go to low carb cruise
we will
2023,
be back 2023
and sign up for that thing.
That's really what inspired this.
Yeah, is spending a whole week having dinner with the same group of people and that was just dinner. That wasn't even a live-in thing. That was just sitting down with the same group of people for 6 days and getting to know them and actually have that communication and talking about things and just coming back and feeling like we had a group of people that we had developed a friendship with, not just, oh yeah, we're in the same group and I might see your post every once in a while. It's a whole different thing.
It is. I just gotta say hi to some folks.
Oh, you got people to say hi to?
I got Marie in there checking in. I got Jill, saying a run walk on the beach, a good workout. She loves that outdoors. Tina saying hi. What is going on? Christy, hello, beautiful, back at ya. My clients are checking in.
Your clients, I got people in here. I got Deanna and Michelle and Mary. And then, unfortunately, here's the thing. All these people that I know, their names, I don't know their Instagram names.
Oh, yeah.
So I've got people on here that I know who you are, but I don't know your Instagram name, so I can't say hi to you. So hi.
That's funny. And here's another thought for the retreat. If your spouse is not following the same lifestyle as you in terms of what you eat or your fitness routine or maybe interested or wants to support you but doesn't really know how, this would be a great opportunity for you to bring your spouse and connect and we can help your spouse figure out how they can support you even if they're not on the same journey and how you two can partner and communicate and collaborate to make it a team effort, even if you're not both doing the exact same thing.
Because you don't have to do the same thing. We do things differently. And not even, we live together, we both coach, but we have our own tweaks and things that we do or nuances that are different. But we're both trying to help people and understanding what the end goal is and being able to support the end goal allows you the freedom to let the person do what is working for them. So that's kind of a cool thing. Hey, Megan, what's going on? Good to see you on here. Cool. Is that it? Is there anything else? Just remind everybody again, November 10th through the 13th in Destin, Florida. We're doing a couples retreat, and it's going to be a blast.
We're so excited.
I'm looking forward to some beach time. There's the house. If you go, okay, we get the website.
We're gonna post the link. We'll post the link in our stories, on our pages. But it's KetoFitLifeCouple.com. If you go to KetoFitLifeCouple.com, you can see all the information. There's pictures of the house. It's got a pool. It's a really big house. It's I think it's like 2 blocks from the beach. Yeah.
We can go to the beach.
Nice communal kitchen. We're going to be doing some fun food demos.
Do some food shopping things and get out of the house and do some stuff. So, yeah, good stuff.
So, Thanks. Come connect with us live and in living color.
In living color. Let me tell you something. Okay. See you guys. We'll talk to you later.